subject is math. When she wants to grow up, she wants to be a math teacher. Miss Taylor's leader of the month is Brian. Brian's favorite color is blue. His favorite food is pizza. His favorite habit 1. His favorite subject is math. When he wants to grow up, he wants to be a police officer. Thank you, Gabriel, and congratulations to our leaders of the month. Now let's welcome you and ready to share our attendance data for the month. Good afternoon, Trailwoods Collegiate. Today I will be talking about attendance wigs. If your grade level reached their goal for January, your teachers will be wearing a wig today. If the whole score reached their 97% goal, Ms. Harrison and Ms. Starr and the support teachers will wear their wigs all day. Kindergarten goal was 90%. They got 94%. Good job. Ms. Boone and Ms. Harrison, Ms. Flavin, honey, please put on your wig. First grade goal was 95%. They got 95%. Good job. Ms. Correa and Ms. Olsen, please put on your wig. Second grade goal was 95.5%. They got 96%. Good job. Ms. Taylor, Ms. Singleton, and Ms. Radford, please put on your wig. Third grade goal was 97%. They got 96%. Keep trying, third grade. Fourth grade goal was 85%. They got 96%. Good job. Ms. Johnson and Ms. Nathan, please put on your wig. Fifth grade goal was 93%. They got 96.7%. Good job. Mr. Vance and Ms. Bryson, please put on your wig. Fifth grade also had the best attendance in the school in January. Please come and get your trophy. Sixth grade goal was 97%. They got 96%. Keep trying, sixth grade. Our school attendance goal was 97%. If we reach this goal, Ms. Harrison, Ms. Starr, and the support teachers will be wearing a wig all day. We got 97%. Great job, Trevor. Ms. Harrison and Ms. Starr and the support teachers, please put on your wig. Trailwoods, Blue State. Thank you, young lady. Now we will have Kevin and my... Please sit down. Thank you, Yameli. Now we will have Kevin and Mayeli conducting this month's interview with Luther. Luther is one of our district's videographers and graphic designer. Please show them your appreciation and support by paying attention throughout the interview. Please give them a round of applause.
On synergizing and working together. So what they had to do was pass a hula hoop around in a circle to see how fast they could get it, and they had to work together and synergize, have it six. So that's what we're doing. Now they're just enjoying a nice bag of chips right at the end.
We are playing Tetris today, and they're learning how to work together and synergize. They're also using begin with the end in mind and think win-win, so everybody can win.
How I feel about it? I feel like it takes a lot of patience. I feel like it's going to teach them not to take 2 minutes and be like, this is hard, and throw it away. So I feel like it kind of helps them be better academically when they're challenged with something, even though it's a game.
Can you please tell us your name and a little bit about yourself?
Hey guys, my name is Luther Okeyo. Like you said before, I'm the graphic designer at the central office. I was born in Nairobi, Kenya, and I came here when I was 8. I played football all through college, and I love playing video games. That's possibly one of the big reasons why I got here. Thank you for having me.
What habit do you use at work?
The habit I use at work is habit 6, synergize. A lot of my job is I get to work and I kind of sit there until somebody tells me what to do. And then the big part about my job, making all those videos and everything like that, I need to work together with somebody. And shout out to Giselle, because that whole video, he shot me. Seriously, the whole video, he shot it. I just gave him the camera, so much stuff I couldn't put in that I wanted to. So we got plenty of outtakes, and that's the habit I use at work.
How long have you been making videos?
I really started making videos my senior year of high school. When I was getting ready to go to college, I needed to make a highlight tape to show coaches I could actually play football. And then just kind of from there, I started making videos on everything from like butterflies to, I don't know, watching my little cousins play, and to when I actually kind of made a video yesterday, my cousin tried to do my hair. So, got videos on anything.
Has anything bad happened in your life, and how do you get through it?
I guess the big thing was when I lost my aunt when I was about 10 years old, and at the time, my aunt was like my second mother. So whenever I didn't have my mom, I went to her. So for a long time, I was just trying to find a way to kind of get over it. And just thanks to my mom and the rest of my family, you know, I mean, I miss her every day, but I mean, I know that I'm kind of trying to live my life the way she kind of helped me mold along with my other family.
Why do you like your job?
I like my job because I get to help you guys. It's awesome. It's just crazy how every day I'm making something that shows you guys off to everybody else who doesn't know you, show how fun you guys are. And this wasn't where I thought I was going to end up, but I love working with kids. And no matter anything I can do to just show how fun you guys are, I love to do it.
How did you start making videos?
Like I said before, it was just trying to find a way for me to get colleges to notice me when I played football. And, you know, kind of watch a couple of things on YouTube. That was back when YouTube wasn't the YouTube you know today. And a lot of late nights staying up on my old PC. Like, some days I cried just trying to make this 5-minute video that a coach would like to see. Like, and that's kind of how I started it. Just kind of just trying to show myself off a little bit.
What do you do at your job?
Besides making videos, I make flyers, I make posters, I make everything that, every time you go out somewhere and there's like KCPS events, most of the stuff that you see I make, because I'm the only guy in the district who does it. So kind of everybody just runs up to me like, hey, can you make this, can you make that? It's challenging, but it's fun at the same time.
How are you proactive?
I never like really sitting down, so I love kind of moving around. I love kind of just doing something. So really the only time I sit down is I'm playing video games. Even then I'm doing something, or I get really into the game, so I stand up and start running, or things like that. And I run, I play football, play basketball, I do everything I can, just kind of not sit down unless I'm really sleeping.
Thank you for being with us. Thank you, Luther, for telling all of the students about how leadership helps you. Now we will have Kavaya telling us about the habits of the month. Please give her a round of applause. This month's habit is habit 6 to synergize. Synergize means to value other people's strengths and to learn from them. It means that we get along well with others, even people who are different than we may be. We synergize when we work well in groups and when we stay humble. When we synergize, we seek out other people's ideas to solve problems because when we team up with others, we can create better solutions than any one of us alone. Mrs. Kressinger chose Pablo. Pablo is a terrific team player. He is creative, cool. Cooperative and kind. He brings his personal experience and expertise to the team. He is open-minded and fair and listening to other people's ideas. He likes to synergize. Coach G chose Asylum from Mrs. Taylor's second grade class. Asylum synergizes by being a great team player and always giving 100% of his teammates. Keep up the great work, Asylum. Mr. Trimble chose Xavier from Mrs. Korea's class. Xavier is an amazing synergizer. He synergizes in the music room, in his classroom, in the lunchroom. And when he is doing his own thing, I love the way he works and the way he synergizes. Keep up the great work, Xavier. Miss Kim chose Evelyn from Mrs. Taylor's class. Evelyn is a great problem solver. She always considers her friends' feelings and opinions. It goes with the flow. Thanks for being a great friend at Trailwoods at leader, Emma. Miss Lewis chose Abraham from Miss Flatter's class. Abraham is a great leader in the classroom. He loves to synergize with his classmates, and is always a great member of his team. Keep up the great work, Abraham. Now we will have Shania presenting the Lunchroom Leadership Awards and the last leadership awards for this month. I chose Mr. Colton's class. And also Miss Flavin's class did pretty good too. The film award goes to Miss Flavin's class. Come get your trophy. Thank you, Shania, and congratulations to our winners. Now we will have 5th grade giving their performance. With all close possible, my favorite teacher is favorite habit is having fun. My favorite Thank you for coming, staff, students, and parents. I'm glad to have been your MC this morning. Thank you to everyone who participated in our assembly. Please look to your teachers for directions. Have a nice day, Trailwoods.